Marinating, this is how you drain the excess water before frying. This is how you drain the water for the chicken before you fry it. Okay, I have just put some tomato paste. So after putting the tomato paste, we drain the excess water in the fire. So after this, after using the pot to drain the water, the chicken will be ready for deep frying. Here is where now you use the bread crumbs. The bread crumbs will help when frying the chicken. So guys, keep tuned, and I hope you will enjoy with me. It will be so yummy. Remember, we have already marinated it. Okay, so everything is okay, the spices, everything is in good hands. So let's finish draining the excess water and we start deep frying. So don't stay away, keep tuned so that your piece won't be served to anybody else. You are my soy family, so I must count you. Okay, thank you.